In this video, I'll show you how to add page numbers to a PDF document for free using PDFGear. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got a PDF with me here. If I open it up, we can be able to visualize this particular PDF, and you can see the PDF does not have any page numbers to it. Now, as I've mentioned, for this video, we're going to be using PDFGear, and it's available for Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. It's free to use and to add page numbers to a PDF. Now, so what I'm going to do now is open a PDFGear right here, and you can just drag and drop your PDF right there, and it's going to open up the new interface. And this interface is what you get when you open a PDF document in PDFGear. Now, to add page numbers to a PDF, I'll need to click on Edit and then click on Page Number right here. You can either add, update, or delete. So I'll click on Add. And once I click on Add, you've got a couple of styles to choose from, style 1, and then 1 to N and all that. Now, I'll just leave it at the default. Style 1, start page number 1, that's okay. Position, I want it at the footer. This one is at the header at the moment, as you can see right here. I want it at the footer. So you see the number has disappeared, and then I don't want it left alignment, I want it center. And you can actually scroll down to preview your changes as you make them right there. I want it at the center, and then I want it for all pages, but you can also select pages, and then the margins look like this. You can change them depending on how long the text in your document is, so they actually don't clash over and all that. But let's assume you're satisfied. Because I'm satisfied with my selection, I'll just click on OK. It's applying headers and footers, and that is for the page numbers. So let's wait and see the result we're going to get in just a couple of seconds. Now, depending on how long or how big your file is, you may not have, it may take a while for this to be done. But as you can see, we now have page numbers in our PDF document. Super easy, super simple. And then all you need to do now is just save as, and just add, maybe leave it as copy with page numbers. Click on save. It's going to save, and we can actually minimize this slightly, and that's our PDF with the page numbers. And if we navigate to our folder, here you can see it. If we open it up, now we have it with the page numbers. Super simple, super easy, and that is how you can add page numbers to a PDF document for free using PDFGear. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.